In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a class in Google Classroom. If you're rolling a course into a new term or creating a parallel section, copying a class lets you reuse your structure and materials without starting from scratch. We'll go from the Google homepage to the confirmation prompt, and I'll highlight what carries over and what doesn't, so you know exactly what to expect. First, open a web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the account you use for Classroom, especially if your school provides a separate login. In the top right corner, select the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots, and choose Classroom from the panel. That opens your Classroom home, where each course appears as a card. Locate the class you want to reuse so it's easy to spot in the next step. On that class card, click the 3 vertical dots to open more options. From the menu, select Copy. A copy class window appears. Here the name field is editable. Google adds copy of by default, which can be replaced with the new term or section label to keep things clear. Section, subject, and room fields can also be adjusted at this stage for better organization. When everything looks right, click Copy to confirm. Google will prepare the new class. Large classes with many materials may take a moment. When the process finishes, a duplicate class appears on your home page with the updated name. The copy includes your topics, classwork posts, and rubrics as drafts, so nothing is visible to students until it's published. That makes it easy to review instructions, update due dates, and verify attachments before anything goes live. Student enrollments, grades, and stream posts are not part of the copy, and the new class generates its own class code, keeping rosters and data separate from the original. A few helpful notes as you proceed. Topic order can be refined later to match your pacing. The classwork page supports quick date adjustments to shift timelines, and linked files may require a permissions check to ensure students will be able to access them. With those details in mind, the copy feature gives you a clean, efficient starting point for the new term while preserving your carefully built course structure. To recap briefly, you'll begin on google.com, open the Google Apps grid, choose Classroom, use the 3-dot menu on the class card, pick Copy, and confirm in the dialog. In a few clicks, you have a fresh course shell that mirrors your original content and saves you significant setup time.